Hey neighbors, we're out at Windsong Ranch today, checking up on our build job with Southgate Homes. Let's go. All right, so this stuff and all that, mixed with that, helps to put that stuff on that thing. What I basically am telling you is they are getting ready to brick this home. And it is a muddy mess over here. Luckily, Southgate installed a cool walkway for us. So it's going to be noisy today. There's a gentleman inside doing some work, but we're going to go in and just look around. All right. Got all the drywall placed. The drop's been done for that. Got all the insulated foam in. We are waiting for the insulation to get put in. Got all the mechanical rough out. there's a punch out list. It's pretty funny. They use basically anything and everything. You'll see folks spray paint on the floors. They'll write on the framing, little notes to everybody. That's just kind of what they do at the construction site. Once the insulation goes in the drywall, you'll never see it. And it's an easy way to never lose your notes. So just so you guys know, anywhere there's an exterior wall, don't forget batted insulation goes in between the 2x4s. See, these are your studs. They're set on 16-inch centers, and they have insulation that's cut perfectly just to unroll and fit right in there. It's fiberglass insulation with paper on either side of it, cut for that width, and they can just roll it in there. So it's very important. Everywhere you see that cold or hot air could touch the insulated area of the house, there'll be insulation. So there'll be insulation up here, there'll be insulation in the walls, insulation in that wall, insulation in that wall. But we don't need it here because that's the interior of the home. Because on the back side of it is another room that'll have insulated surfaces all around it. So the conditioned space in the home is meticulously figured out. All right, so again, a big majestic ceiling. Big drama. Got the wall of sliding door windows. See how the bricks are positioned? That's so the masons can install them. And remember, when they're doing the masonry work, the brick will go up to about 4 feet, and then they'll wait a day or two and then come back and do the rest of it. The reason is, if you were to put brick from here up 10, 12, 16 feet, it's going to squish all the mortar out of the bottom bricks because it's not solidified yet. It's like frosting a cake with 20 layers. So what they do is they do a certain height on the brick, they let that solidify, and then they'll do the rest of the brick. Again, big drama in the master. I love this floor plan. It is going to be absolutely gorgeous. One of the sweetest couples you would ever meet are building this home. Got a couple of adorable kids. They're going to have so much fun in this house. It's going to almost be a crime. And, Windsong's a gorgeous neighborhood for kids. Even in the master bath, we've got a cathedral ceiling. I mean, how cool is that? Big closet, got a window in here, and then we've got the utility room right off the master closet. And so you can see we're in the utility room, then you got a master closet, master bath, master bedroom. That's a deep house. And then coming back out, we're here. How's it going? Doing all right. So you're going to see the shredded cellulose get blown in up here eventually. This is going to have to be sealed off. They're going to have a door right here. And then this is all going to be unconditioned airspace. And then that's the actual backside right in here of the room. This will be the media room. This is the family room. You've got another bedroom back here. And then you're going to have the bath and the closet working off that, and the bath in here. You got another bedroom back there. Yeah, it's coming together. So a lot of you guys have been watching this house get built, and you're wondering, why is it taking so long? Well, maybe 4 years ago, it would take us 6 months to get a house built at this level. Maybe with a little weather delay, 7 months. Now we're looking at 12 to 14 months to build a house of this detail level and this size. And then that can get delayed even more with either labor issues or material supply side issues. If you've got an opportunity, if you're thinking about building a house and you have an opportunity to buy one that you like, buy it. We've got a ton of people waiting to get into homes. We've got 5,000 people on our waiting list. It's just not going to happen. So if you get an opportunity, you better grab one. All right, we'll talk to you next week.